Will they be like, don't do a victory lap?
Yeah. Because they don't want you to run, you like fucking trot or whatever.
Yes, such long legs. Little kick. She got his tail pretty white.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
What if I can just like back up it and just side down now? Tell me, but whisper it so Whispers can hear you. Oh, you didn't have to whisper that.
No, I know, but I don't want them to do it. And when I fly that up over my head and all I can hear was
I hate that. It happens to me all the time.
I know, Lena was like, no, and I just like kicked Rebel around my flag flew over my head and I just went straight out and then Rebel turned on her own because my flag was over my head.
Rebel does her weird exit thingy.
I know. I think she's always gonna do that.
Hopefully we're never over time.
What?
Hopefully we're never over time.
Oh, I know.
I doubt we will be though.
She stopped doing it though. Like, she stopped doing it a lot faster than last time.
Who's gonna have me
So we're still going to Wale.
We are?
Yeah. I need to go, I need to buy some stuff. I might buy another Young Knuckles shirt too.
I'm just going with you. I won't have any more. Come closer.
I'll turn on the other song.
What is this? Who's singing this?
Huh?
Who's singing this?
Lil Wayne.
Oh. I like this. I like that.
Yeah, me too.
Except
That'd be sick drill.
It reminds me of Hidden Valley Band for some reason. That football game.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it wouldn't be a sick drill song. It's too slow.
Yeah. I love our drill music.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Look up.